Hi, it's Cheryl. Here's a little more information on my cardboard Christmas village from the Christmas Town newsletter. You're going to need a box, craft knife, some tracing paper, some glue, some LED lights. So the first thing that we're going to do is determine what we want our village to look like. I've got Dockery's Posies and Positively Merry. I've drawn in windows and doors and cut those out very carefully. Craft knives are dangerous. Please don't motion with them the way that I'm doing. But after this step, it'd be a great project for kids. Everything after this is easy enough for anyone to do. I've painted. I am going to add architectural details using some strips cut from the box. I'm going to paint those in to make ledges that kind of cover up creases in the box. And I'm going to add plastic film, which comes from a potpourri box. I never throw anything away. To cover those windows, I want a little more depth. This is me cleaning up. If you're messy like I am, seize your chance. If you're not, well, good for you. The next thing to do is, so you can see how I've used Canva to make the posy sign, and I've traced Canva font to do Positively Merry. I used a permanent marker to trace on the window. You can see joy. I've done the letters up there. So I've got plastic film over all the windows. Now it's time to add the tracing paper to make those opaque, add in the doors, and then really get to decorating. So you can see how those windows are covered now. You can see I put the fairy lights, the white fairy lights behind to light them up. Really shows the windows. You can see the panes that I've drawn in using a permanent marker on Posy's window. Everything else is a sticker, just about. Some of it's Canva elements that I cut out. And Dockery's sign is construction paper. The awnings, the frame around the window is construction paper. But this is great for kids. Lots of fun placing stickers in messy paint. I added the roof out of construction paper. This is the nighttime with the multicolored lights. They're a little too large, so I couldn't put them on the outside, so I had to glue them to the inside of the window. So this shall not be left unattended with glue, paper, and lights. But I really like the effect, and I'll always go with more lights. So if you try this, please tag me. I would really love to see your Christmas Town villages. I'm on Twitter and Facebook. I'd love to see them. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to try to answer them.